Booker T. Whatley, 1915 to 2005. Whatley was a pioneering African-American agricultural economist. His ideas around small-scale farming operations and community-supporting agriculture have left a lasting impact on sustainable agriculture practices. Whatley was born on a small farm in Anniston, Alabama. His early life experiences significantly influenced his approach to agriculture and his passion for helping small farmers succeed. Whatley was a staunch advocate for small farms, emphasizing their potential for profitability and sustainability. He believed that small-scale farmers could thrive by diversifying their crops and marketing directly to consumers, thereby bypassing the costly intermediaries and increasing their revenue. Perhaps Whatley's most innovative contribution to agriculture was his development of the clientele membership club model. This concept, which predates and anticipates the modern community-supported agriculture (CSA) model, encourages consumers to subscribe to the produce of a farm. Members would pay an annual fee in exchange for the right to purchase fresh, seasonal produce directly from the farm. This system provided farmers with a stable, predictable income, while offering consumers access to fresh, local food. Whatley authored a set of guidelines known as the 10 Commandments for Small Farms, which outlined strategies for small farm success. These commandments included advice on crop diversification, direct marketing, value-added processing, and the importance of offering something unique to attract customers. Through his publications and lectures, Whatley reached a wide audience. His book, How to Make $100,000 Farming 25 Acres, provided practical advice for small farmers and was influential in promoting the ideas of farm diversification and direct marketing. Whatley's work has had a lasting impact on sustainable agriculture and the local food movement. By demonstrating the economic viability of small-scale farming and the benefits of direct marketing and community engagement, he has inspired countless farmers to adopt more sustainable and community-focused practices. Booker T. Whatley's vision and practical advice have helped reshape the landscape of American agriculture, advocating for systems that support both the farmer's livelihood and the consumer's need for healthy, locally sourced food. His legacy continues to influence the sustainable agriculture movement and the CSA model, which has grown in popularity across the United States and around the world.